Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below for your convenience. This review reflects my personal experience using Fireflies.ai. Fireflies.ai, a comprehensive review and usage experience. Fireflies.ai is an AI-powered meeting assistant and transcription tool designed to boost productivity and streamline communication for both teams and individual professionals. It offers a game-changing solution for anyone who spends significant time in virtual meetings by transcribing discussions, extracting key insights, and even summarizing conversations. One of Fireflies.ai's most compelling features is its seamless integration with popular video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Simply invite the Fireflies.ai bot to your meeting, and it will automatically record, transcribe, and securely store the conversation. The AI excels at accurately capturing dialogue, while its intelligent algorithms identify key moments and action items, eliminating the need for manual note-taking. What truly differentiates Fireflies.ai is its ability to generate summaries and action points immediately following a meeting. You'll receive an email notification containing a link to the meeting transcript and an intuitive, easy-to-navigate dashboard. This is invaluable for remote teams, ensuring that no crucial details or discussions are missed. Furthermore, Fireflies.ai supports collaborative features, enabling team members to add comments, tag colleagues, and track follow-up tasks directly within the platform. Fireflies.ai is an ideal solution for professionals, project managers, sales teams, and anyone who needs to efficiently capture and review meeting content. It's particularly beneficial for distributed teams, ensuring everyone stays informed and aligned, regardless of their time zone. The tool is remarkably easy to set up, boasting a user-friendly interface accessible even to those less comfortable with technology. In summary, Fireflies.ai is a powerful tool for enhancing workflow and boosting meeting productivity. Whether you're a manager, a sales representative, or a team leader, Fireflies.ai helps you stay organized, saves valuable time, and guarantees that no critical information gets overlooked. If you're looking for a way to escape the tedium of manually transcribing meetings, Fireflies.ai is definitely worth exploring. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information.